Hey, how you doing? I'm Patricio, and I'm the instructor for the Drone 101 workshop at the Hamilton Film School in Ancaster. And I'm making this quick video to talk a little bit about what the course is about and who is it for. There's a ton of different drones, a lot of options out there. We'll talk about gimbal drones if you're looking for something for photography, FPV drones if you're looking for something a little bit more sporty and roller coaster-like, outdoor flying, indoor flying, and it could be a little overwhelming, but it's not. We'll also talk about things like Canadian airspace regulations, what kind of paperwork you would need, and you don't necessarily need paperwork for everything, so what kind of drones can you fly without anything? What kind of drones do you have to pass a test to fly? Then we'll talk about apps that you can use. Some are for free, some cost a little bit of money, different price ranges for different people. And at the very end, we'll do some Q&A and a demonstration. And that's the workshop. So if you're a photographer or a hobbyist, or if you're looking to get into FPV, or if you're a filmmaker or a video producer or a real estate agent, there's going to be stuff in here for almost anybody. If you want to fly, come check out the workshop, and I'll get you all the information you need to be brought up to speed on what's out there. There's a 101 on drones. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in the class. See you soon.